Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to archive emails in Outlook Office 365 in 2026. Now, archiving helps you clean your inbox without deleting anything, and Outlook gives you a quick way to store your older messages safely. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook Office 365 on your web browser. If you haven't logged into your account, you just have to log in first. So here in the right hand section, you are going to see your inbox tab. You just have to click on it first so that it could show you all of the inbox emails that you have received. So among the list of the emails, you just have to select that particular email or the group of emails that you want to archive. So when you select the email, you just have to right click on it in order to get access the archive option in the list. When you select the email, you will also see this archive option here on the top. When you click on the option of archive, you will notice that email which you have selected is removed from your inbox and now it comes in your archive folder. So here, if you want to archive a large batch at once, you can highlight multiple emails by holding shift or control and then click on the option of archive. So this way you will be able to basically bulk move the emails to your archive folder. Now, if you want to view that particular email, you can anytime go to this archive folder here. And as you can see, we have that particular email available. Now, if you want to unarchive it, simply select it and then select the option of unarchive, or it will also be able to see it here on the top. You can also click on the option of move and then you can just simply move it to inbox. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.